Hi, I'm attorney Pam Olsen. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about Uber and Lyft accidents. If you're involved in an Uber or Lyft accident, liability depends on what the driver was actually doing at that exact moment that the accident occurred. Today we're going to talk about one of the most confusing accident situations, and that is rideshare crashes. And that's because the app's status, literally the app on the phone that they're using, is what can determine the amount of coverage and how the accident happened. If the app is off, the driver is just a regular driver. That means their own personal auto insurance applies, and maybe the driver and the owner, also the owner of the vehicle, has coverage too. Phase 2, the app is on, but no ride is accepted yet. That's a completely different scenario, and limited insurance coverage may apply in addition to the owner and/or driver. In Phase 3, a ride is accepted, and there's a passenger in the vehicle. That's when the highest commercial coverage applies, and that's where it can get complicated. Multiple insurance policies may be involved. The rideshare driver or another driver in the rideshare company, even your own insurance company, and I know that seems weird, but I'll explain that to you too when we talk again. Each insurer may try to shift responsibility to someone else. Passenger is almost never at fault, unless you're not wearing your seatbelt. That's about the only time, but these coverages can be complex. Another important part, if you're hit by a rideshare driver, coverage still depends on the driver's app status. I know, same driver, same car, completely different coverage depending on one detail. That's why documentation is so critical. Screenshots, rideshare receipts, driver information, time of the accident. Just know that if you're in an accident, and gather all the information you possibly can at that moment. These coverages can be very complicated. They can be layered insurance coverages with corporate coverage included. Rideshares are everywhere. They become a part of our daily lives, and let's face it, they're pretty darn handy. We trust Uber and similar apps with our safety and the drivers that drive for these companies. But these situations are very specific, and personal injury cases are unique by their very nature. Each and every case is very different. And when drivers are actively working, they have an even greater responsibility to be careful and attentive on the road. If you've been through something similar to this, please contact our office. I'm attorney Pam Olsen. I'm going to talk to you a lot about these coverages and help you understand them. Subscribe to my channel and receive even more information and contact, and follow me on social media. Again, I'm attorney Pam Olsen. I look forward to talking again.